Solid Edge simulation capabilities continue to provide design engineers with powerful tools to help optimize and validate their designs digitally and build better products in less time by front-loading the simulation process. Simcenter Flow Efd for Solid Edge features new capabilities and modules for electronics cooling applications. The new Package Creator tool specializes in the rapid creation of accurate thermal models of electronic packages, with correct definition of chip layers and solder balls on the chip. Here we can clearly see the thermal effect on this PCB board, and in turn its effect on the overall electronic enclosure. Looking at the flow trajectories around the fan area, this shows clearly how the fan swirls the air and pushes it to the side to cool the enclosure. We can also see how the fan is performing on the fan curve, showing the operating point of the individual fans based on the fan curve data from the fan manufacturer. ISO surfaces are another way of illustrating where airflow is going and showing the velocity as a volume plot. In addition, Solid Edge 2021 now has the ability to apply the results from a computational fluid dynamics study as an input to a Solid Edge structural or thermal simulation study. Focusing on the tank containing the liquid bath that freezes the popsicles, looking at the results of this thermal flow study, we can see how the cooling liquid interacts with the assembly. These results can be sent to Solid Edge simulation by using the Export Results command. We can then switch into the simulation environment to set up our structural analysis. Also new for Solid Edge 2021 is the ability to suppress or remove any components directly from the simulation pathfinder, making it easier to test the design on a subset of the study geometry. When defining the material for the insulating core, another new feature is the ability to highlight key material properties that are required for the study we are attempting to solve, as can be seen by the green color coding. This makes it easy to ensure we have appropriate properties defined for an accurate study. Our last step before solving our structural study is to import the Flow Efd pressure or thermal results. These are automatically applied directly to the correct bodies and faces in the study. Switching to the results of a similar study shows us where the pressure from the cooling liquid is causing the highest areas of stress on our design. The probe tool allows us to see stress values in an area. New for Solid Edge 2021 is the ability to probe edges, ultimately saving us time from having to select each individual node. Solid Edge Simulation and Simcenter Flow Efd for Solid Edge continue to provide users with a quick, consistent, and integrated experience that saves both time and money. To learn more about Solid Edge, visit solidedge.siemens.com.